Girl, all because you're homeschooled does not mean you can sleep in all day. Wake up and let's get started. Ava heard me over there waking up Abby, so she hurried up and hopped up out of bed. Well, sort of. After that, it was time for me to make my way to my room to get my bed all together. If you guys don't make up your bed first thing in the morning, what are you doing? I don't know about you, but making my bed sets the tone for the entire day. After I got done putting my bed together, I did vacuum the room, and this is how it looked at the end, you guys. You guys, if this is your first time here, hi and welcome. My name is Angela. I'm a homeschooling mom of two beautiful girls, Abby, who's my 10-year-old, and then Ava is my 12-year-old. My husband told me last night he was going to take out the trash and clean the kitchen. You guys, when I woke up to this, I was like, it's up to me now. So I went ahead and took care of it, bagged up the trash, and then I went ahead and did the dishes. It was time for me to go ahead and check on my girls and see where they were at. Ava was still straightening up her room, and I went next door to Abby's room. I was like, girl, this room is a total mess. Get up and get this clean now. Ava was so kind to go ahead and throw out the trash bags for me, and then I went to go ahead and check her room, and I saw that she did get it nice and clean. When she came back in from taking out the trash, I was like, girl, you know you have to clean the mirror. That is part of cleaning the room. I am raising responsible children because I need them to grow up to be responsible adults. Next up, me and Ava had some one-on-one time, just doing a little bit of chatting, and then I went back to check on Abby. She had definitely went ahead and made a big dent in her room, but when I turned around and saw her little bookshelf, I was like, girl, this thing is a mess. Let me go ahead and knock this out too. So I went ahead and pulled everything off that shelf and organized it. So hopefully she keeps it that way. This is how it looked after. Next up, it was time for Ava to make us some breakfast. She decided that she was going to make cheesy eggs with sausage and brisket dip. We got this dip from Costco, so this is going to be our first time trying it, so I hope it's really good. Here she is throwing down in the kitchen. You guys, I do allow both of my kids to cook. Ava days are Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and then Abby is Tuesday and Thursday. Unless I feel like cooking that day, I'll just jump in on anybody's day to cook a meal. But if we're sticking to the schedule, that's the routine. They went ahead and started on breakfast while I went ahead and got some coffee because I really, and I mean really, needed it. After breakfast, it was time for us to take our vitamins, and I know you guys are thinking up next must be homeschool, but no, it was time for a little bit of cookies and milk, so that's what we went ahead and had. After we had some cookies and milk and did a little bit of chat, and then it was time for us to work on their new folders, and it was also time for me to go over their new schedules. After that, it was time for some arts and crafts. They were really in the mood to do some painting, so I was like, you guys have at it for today, so that's what they did while they were painting. I went ahead and signed them up for some new online curriculum, so that's going to be a new change for this year. And then it was time for me to make some dinner. I decided to make some quinoa and some shrimp and some avocado. You guys, this came out so good. This was a perfect high protein meal. Obviously, we had to give thanks, and then everybody digged in. The girls absolutely loved it. They said it was super tasty. And after dinner, we went ahead and dusted off Monopoly because it was time to play. You guys, this is your reminder that homeschooling doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to be perfect for you and your family needs. Today, we didn't do any formal curriculum, but we did cover real life skills. We cooked together, cleaned together, spent tons of time together just talking and enjoying each other's company. All right, you guys, see you tomorrow.